Welcome students. This is chapter number 16, Preparation for Algebra. In this module, we will learn some important terms related to algebra. So, we'll learn expression, equality, inequality, and we'll solve some problem sets based on these topics. Let us know what is meant by algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with symbols and the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division across these symbols. Also, algebra consists of the use of numbers and letters to state and to solve the problems. Let us know about very important term involved in algebra, that is expression. When we want to say a number obtained by adding 6 and 6, it is easier to express it by using bracket and writing 6 plus 6 inside the bracket. Also, inside the bracket 15 minus 3 means a number obtained by subtracting 3 from 15. And into bracket 6 into 2 means a number obtained by multiplying 6 by 2. One more example. Inside the bracket 24 divided by 2 means a number obtained by dividing 24 by 2. So such arrangements like 15 minus 3, 6 multiplied by 2, inside the bracket 24 divided by 2 are called as expressions. Let us learn a very important term in algebra, that is equality. In mathematics, equality is a relationship between two quantities asserting that the quantities have the same value. Let us try to understand equality with help of some expressions. Here we have expression 1, 6 plus 6, and the value of this expression is 12. We have one more expression, 4 into 3, and the value of this expression is 12. So as you can see, the value of these two expressions is 12, which is same. So we can say these two expressions, 6 plus 6 and 4 into 3, are equal. So this kind of representation of expression is called as an equality. Let us solve problem set 54. First question is, using brackets, write three pairs of numbers whose sum is 13. Use them to write three equalities. So first, let us find out three pairs of numbers whose sum is 13. So we have first pair 9 plus 4, which is equal to 13. One more, we have 11 plus 2, which is equal to 13. And we have 6 plus 7, which is equal to 13. Now, as the value of all these three expressions, 9 plus 4, 11 plus 2 and 6 plus 7 is same, that is 13, we can use these three expressions to write the equalities. So the first equality we can write as 9 plus 4 is equal to 11 plus 2. One more we can write 6 plus 7 is equal to 11 plus 2. And we have third one as 6 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 4. Next question is, find four pairs of numbers, one for each addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, that make the number 18. Write the equalities for each of them. Now here, first, let us find out first pair of numbers that make the number 18 after addition. So we have 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. Now let us find out a pair of number that makes number 18 after subtraction. So for this we have 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. Now let us find out a pair of number that make the number 18 after multiplication. So for this we have 6 into 3 is equal to 18. And now let us find out a pair of number that make the number 18 after division. So for this we have 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Now, as you can see, the value of all these four expressions is same, that is 18. We can use these four expressions to write the equalities. So, here we write the first equality as 11 plus 7 is equal to 6 into 3. We have next equality 20 minus 2 is equal to 11 plus 7. Next we have 6 into 3 is equal to 20 minus 2. And one more we can write as 36 divided by 2 is equal to 6 into 3. Let us know about one more important term in algebra, that is inequality. In mathematics, an inequality is a relation which makes a non-equal comparison between two expressions. Let us discuss some examples for better understanding. we have here first expression as 6 plus 2 and the value of this expression is 8. We have one more expression 4 into 3 and the value of this expression is 12. Now you can see the value of these two expressions is not same. So we say these two expressions 6 plus 2 and 4 into 3 are not equal. This kind of representation is called as inequality. Problem set 55. Say whether right or wrong. First statement is 23 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 23. Now we have to find out whether the given statement is right or wrong. So first let us find out the value of these two expressions. So the value of first expression 23 plus 4 is equal to 27 and the value of second expression 4 plus 23 is equal to 27. As you can see, the value of these two expressions is equal, that is 27. Hence, we can write these two expressions in the form of an equality. So, we say the given statement is right. Second example, we have 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. So let us decide whether this statement is right or wrong. For this, let us find out the value of the expression 9 plus 4. We know that 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 and 13 is greater than 12. So, we say the expression 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. Hence, we say the given statement is also right. Next question is fill in the blanks with the right symbol from less than, greater than or equal to. First example 45 divided by 9 empty box 9 minus 4. Now here in the empty box we have to put correct symbol. For that we have to find out the value of these two expressions and then we will compare that values. So the value of expression 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5 and the value of expression 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So as you can see the value of these two expressions are same. So we write equal to symbol in the box. Next example we have 12 into 2 empty box 25 plus 10. So to put the correct sign in the symbol we also have to compare these two expressions. So the value of first expression 12 into 2 is equal to 24 and the value of expression 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. So let us compare the values of these two expressions. So here we have 24 is less than 35. Hence we write the given expressions as 12 into 2 is less than 25 plus 10. Next question is fill in the blanks in the expressions with the proper numbers. First example. So here we have the expression 1 into 7 is equal to empty box into 1, and we have to find out the number in the empty box. So first let us find out the value of given expression. We have 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Hence now we have to find out a number which when multiplied by 1 gives 7. So we have 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Hence, we write the number 7 in the empty box. Next example. 5 into 4 is greater than 7 into empty box. So here we have to find out the number in the empty box so that the given statement becomes true. So first, let us find out the value of given expression. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Now let us find out a number which when multiplied by 7 gives a number which is less than 20. So we have 7 2s are 14, which is less than 20. Hence, we write the number 2 in the empty box. Next question is use a letter for any number and write the following properties in short. The first property is the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. Now here, instead of any number, we have to use a letter and we have to write the given property in short. So, let us suppose here P is the any number and the sum of any number and 0 can be written as into bracket P plus 0. As per the given property, the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. So, we can write P plus 0 is equal to P. Next question is, the given property is the product of any two numbers and the product obtained after changing the order of those numbers is the same. Now, let us assume that any two numbers as A and B. So, the product of these any two numbers can be written as A into B, and the product obtained after changing the order of these two numbers can be written as B into A. As per the given property, the product of any two number after changing the order is also same. So, we can write the given property as A into B is equal to B into A. Next property is the product of any number and 0 is 0. So let us suppose that any number is m, and the product of these any number and 0 can be written as m into 0. As per the statement, the given property, the product of any number and 0 is 0. So we can write this property as m into 0 is equal to 0. Next question is, write the following properties in words. So we have first property, m minus 0 is equal to m. So let us write this property in words. As we know that any number, any unknown number can be represented using any letter. So here m represents any number that we don't know. And m minus 0 means subtracting 0 from any number. Yes, as the property suggests that subtracting 0 from any number is equal to that any number only. So, we can write the given property as subtracting 0 from any number gives the number itself. We have next property, n divided by 1 is equal to n. So let us write this property using words. As we know, here the letter n represents any number, and n divided by 1 means dividing any number by 1. As per the property, n divided by 1 is equal to n only. So, we write the given property in words as dividing any number by 1 gives the number itself. Thank you.